The First Alert plug-in carbon monoxide alarm with battery backup responds quickly to carbon monoxide, alerting you of deadly threats in the home. This plug-in alarm comes with a 9-volt battery backup, keeping you safe even in the event of a power outage. The electrochemical sensor in the CO alarm is the most accurate technology available for detecting carbon monoxide. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to ensure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel T3 pattern chirp to alert you. Installation is quick and simple with the plug-in design, and no additional wiring is required. The First Alert CO605 comes with a 7-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.
Noise cancelling.
I'm restless, baby, when you're gone. And in this nightmare, yeah, I know I'm crazy. No lullabies when I'm alone. I'm restless, baby, when you're gone. I'm restless, baby, when you're gone.
Coffee and a magazine, please.
That's all?
Yes, thanks.
Alexa, set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Starting now.
Alexa, how many ounces are in a cup?
There are 8 ounces in a cup.
Alexa, dim the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
You have 3 events scheduled.
Alexa, play Catastrophe.
Here's Catastrophe.
I don't want to get too ripped on day one.
What's happening with you and Sharon?
Alexa, open Alto's Adventure.
Here's Alto's Adventure.
Frankly, fell asleep holding a potato. Little weirdo.
Alexa, pause. Alexa, resume.
Do you want me to make you something?
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Impact. This is the Marcy Utility Bench. And I'll tell you what, I'm really excited to jump into this thing and create an amazing workout. Let's go. So, the first exercise we're going to hit is the standard incline dumbbell bench press. This is going to focus on the chest development, mainly the upper chest, the shoulders, and the triceps. It's going to look something like this. Okay, so that was your incline chest press. I would suggest anywhere between 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetitions with about a 60 to 90 second rest. Give it a shot today. Hey, what's up everybody? So our next exercise is going to be a dumbbell row. This is going to focus on the mid back. Actually, it's going to focus on the entire back, mainly the mid back and the lower lat. It's going to look something like this. All right, so that was your dumbbell row. I would suggest anywhere between 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 12 repetitions with about a 60 to 90 second rest. Give it a shot today. All right guys, so our next exercise is just gonna be a standard sit-up. This is gonna really focus on the rectus abdominis as well as the overall core. It's gonna look something like this. All right, so that was your sit-up. I would suggest anywhere between 2 to 3 sets, try and go to failure, and about a 60 to 90 second rest. Give it a shot today.
Introducing Fire TV Recast, the DVR that lets you watch and record free over-the-air TV on all compatible devices, all with no monthly fees.
Alexa, open channel guide.
Enjoy great local sports, news, and must-see shows from your favorite networks, all available with an HD antenna.
Alexa, rewind 30 seconds.
Fire TV Recast brings all your entertainment together on the Fire TV home screen. Record up to 4 shows simultaneously.
Alexa, show my recordings.
With up to 150 hours of HD recording capacity. Just plug any HD antenna into Fire TV Recast. You can place it anywhere in your home, and it streams HD quality picture via Wi-Fi to compatible devices, including the Fire tablet and Echo Show. All of your compatible devices will automatically connect. You can even watch live or recorded TV on your mobile device when you're on the go with the Fire TV app. Watch and record live TV everywhere. Fire TV Recast.
A shredder is beneficial for any home or office. It's one way to protect your personal or company's confidential information. As identity theft is becoming more prevalent, having a shredder can help minimize your chances of becoming a victim and having to deal with the hassles of gaining back your identity. They secure documents, credit or identification cards, confidential printouts, financial statements, CDs, DVDs, and magnetic tapes from theft. When purchasing a shredder, there are several factors you'll want to consider to find the most appropriate shredder to fit your needs. How sensitive is the information you're shredding? How much paper will you be shredding and how often? Will you need to shred credit cards or CDs? Shredder size, noise, and of course, your overall budget. There are multiple levels of security offered by different shredder types. A shredder is classified based on the size and shape of the shreds produced. The higher the number, the more secure and smaller the paper cut. While shredders can range from level P1 to P7, most people and businesses will want a shredder in the P2 to P5 range. Strip cut shredders are the most basic types of shredders. They use rotating blades to cut narrow strips of paper as long as the original sheet you are shredding. A standard strip cut shredder will cut a piece of paper into around 34 strips. They tend to cost less and are good for internal documents. Cross-cut shredders are the next step up in document security. They use two blades that rotate in opposite directions to cut paper into small cross-sectional shreds, no matter how long the paper is in length. A standard cross-cut shredder will cut a piece of paper into around 360 pieces. They are usually priced in mid-range and are great for destroying confidential documents. Micro-cut shredders offer even more security than cross-cut. Similar to cross-cut shredders, micro-cut shredders use two blades that rotate in opposite directions to cut paper into small cross-sectional shreds. These shredders create small confetti-like pieces around 6 times smaller than a cross-cut shredder. A standard microcut shredder will cut a piece of paper into around 2,000 to 3,000 pieces. Microcut shredders tend to cost more than crosscut shredders, but provide the highest level of security to keep your shredded information confidential. There are some other key terms to know when shopping for a shredder. Sheet capacity refers to the number of sheets that you can shred at the same time. A 12-sheet shredder can shred 12 pieces of standard paper. Continuous runtime is the amount of time a shredder can run at one time. If you're sharing your shredder with multiple people or plan on shredding many documents in one session, then you'll want a shredder with longer runtime. Cool down time refers to the amount of time a shredder needs to cool down after a continuous run. Shredders can range in noise level from around 60 decibels to around 70. For reference, a standard conversation from 3 feet away is around 60 to 65 decibels, and the telephone dial tone is around 80 decibels. When you're purchasing your shredder, remember to consider how sensitive the information you're shredding is. How much will you shred at a time? How often will you use the shredder? Will you need special slots for credit cards or CDs? Where will you put the shredder? And overall budget. Having a shredder at your home or office is an economical way to protect your identity and bring you peace of mind too.